Hello, Andre. Very happy to have you here. Thanks a lot for showing up in this meeting. How are
Hi,
you?
Rafael. Thanks. Hi, I'm fine. Great.
Awesome. Very good. Thank you so much again. And I'm going to make you some questions regarding your experience in the Challenger Developer Mentorship. So let's start with the first one. So, what
Okay.
was your life like before the Challenger Developer Mentorship?
My life before the mentorship was a little bit confusing about how to achieve my goals. So the mentorship helped me to define kind of points I need to improve to reach the next level, to give me confidence to perform another series of interviews and try to get a better job, to improve in my career, to improve my skills, both technical and soft skills. So before the mentorship, I was a little lost about how to improve because I was just only making a little bit of progress by just studying books, tutorials, and the mentorship is more accurate about some aspects about which kind of skill do you have to improve. For example, time management, communication skills, how to handle some critical situations between coworkers and management, and that kind of stuff.
Awesome. And how was your feeling before the mentorship? What was your biggest pain?
I thought I think my biggest pain at that moment to was to how to position myself into the market, how to be authentic, how to eliminate the fears, the inner fears to keep going in my career. For example, I didn't even know how to negotiate salary before the mentorship, and that was critical to achieve a new job with a higher paying job.
Exactly. Most developers, unfortunately, they neglect those skills and they are so important. Okay, awesome. So tell me a story that marked your life before the Challenger Developer Mentorship.
Faced that kind of situation before the mentorship because I think I was not paid enough by the kind of work I was performing as a senior developer. So I was I was fed up. So I see that by just by just doing the same will be not enough to to reach the next level. So the mentorship helped me to break my fears and my limitations, and then to grow in my career. It's a combination thing. So it's a combination. Be prepared because I was working for a long for years in the industry. So I needed to learn how to surpass some limitations in the sense of not by just doing the same thing over and over, taking how to be perform good at interviews and how to select great companies to be prepared to work on great companies as
And what is your life like today?
my life. Now it's great. I think I'm satisfied with the results I have achieved in the mentorship. I finally got a good job, high paying job, because the mentorship gave me confidence and improved my soft skills so I could make more interviews and code better, how to manage my time better. So I could perform better in my career.
Awesome.
And then I think I'm satisfied that worth it.
Okay, Andrea. So what happened in your career that you never imagined it would happen after you applied the Challenger Developer Mentorship principles?
After the mentorship, I could double my salary. I got a remote job paying the double that I earned before. I got a remote job and work with top-notch technologies like AWS, microservices, Spring Framework, with the Java ecosystem, Kotlin, and and become almost a leader in my team.
That's awesome. Yeah, that's really impressive. This result is just amazing. Like doubling your salary, it changed your life. For example, if you want today, you could live on your own, right? You could buy property if you want.
Yes, I can work from anywhere. I have my time for work and life to do my things, work out, to walk with my dog. I have more freedom in my career. Have more. I meet some nice coworkers, and that's very enjoyable.
Awesome. And do you have a powerful story you experienced that marked your life after applying the Challenger Developer Mentorship method?
Sure, it was my new job that I got
Mhm.
because since I could improve my salary negotiation skills and my time management skills, so I could get a remote job.
Awesome. And how long did it take for you to get your remote job, get your
Uh,
uh yeah,
about 6 months of mentorship was enough. It was fast,
it was about 6 months?
yes.
Awesome. So other questions. So has your family supported you at the start
Yes,
of the mentorship?
yes, my mother supported me. He was very happy seeing me talking English, seeing me improving in my career. He was very happy when I achieved my goal.
Amazing.
When I got a
Amazing.
remote job, now I have more time to stay with my family. So I was very supportive.
That's excellent. And I also know that the mentorship isn't a cheap investment, but how did you afford it?
I see that as investment in my career, not as an expense. So that was not a problem for me. I faced that as investment.
Mhm.
Separated part of my salary because I knew since the beginning that I would collect better results in the future.
Mhm. Awesome. Yeah, that's a mindset that unfortunately not many people have. Uh, but you having that, you have a huge advantage.
Exactly. It it's worth the money I spent. So I didn't
Mhm.
see it. Oh, it's too expensive. No, I'm investing in my career.
And did you also try to grow in your career by yourself? And if you did, for how long?
Yes, for several years, for about 3 years, and I didn't see any results. Yeah, I think I was like in a plateau. So I'm not. I will stay stuck in my career. Know how to go further, how to be better, how to earn more money, a better salary, how to grasp so much technology in a short amount of time. So the mentorship taught me some skills too. methods go, uh, to get those skills.
Amazing. That's a lot. Wow. So, okay. The next question, Andrea, is were you worried about the time you had to use for the mentorship? Like, were you worried that you would have to use more time than you had?
No, I didn't worry about it because I use my free time in the weekends on the Sundays, so it was great. The schedule was amazing. It didn't affected my life, my job. It fits very well.
Perfect. And have you been confident you could take action from the mentorship since the beginning?
Yes, of course.
And how was this experience of taking action from the mentorship tasks and everything?
At the mentorship, each mentorship sessions gave me more confidence and motivation to stay studying, and keep improving. So I was not in the comfort zone. I was always pushing myself.
Awesome. Okay, thank you so much, Andrea, for your answers. That's our interview. Let me stop recording.